like a boss.
All right, ladies, so one of my Patreon supporters asked me why her man left her for another woman. She was cheated on and he just left her for another woman. And apparently she said that the woman wasn't even attractive. She ain't even that cute, she said, right? And I was like, all right, show me a picture. You know what? Yeah, she was kind of cute. She was hot, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't tell her that. I was like, you're right. But I wanted to make a video about this because I bet a lot of you ladies, a lot of guys who have been in your life have left you for another woman. It's that simple. And it hurts the ego. I've been left for another woman before. Yeah, that's right, another woman. Yeah, I said it right, another woman. Fucking bitch. She left me for another woman. She was lesbian, by the way. She was like experimenting on my side of the end, right? But it hurts, all right? And so I'm gonna give you 5 reasons why he left you for another woman, all right? It's not gonna be an easy list for some of you guys because some of you guys are committing this mistake, but it's something you guys need to learn your lesson. All right, so I wanna thank all of my Patreon supporters. Thank you for this video, highly appreciate it. I hope you guys are enjoying the book club videos that I'm posting. I hope you guys enjoying the premiere videos that you guys get. You guys can get the videos that I post on YouTube 3 days earlier on my Mindful Attraction Academy. So I want to thank all of you guys because you guys have freed me up. That's right. YouTube cannot control the Alexians no more. To all of my Alexians, if you're proud to be an Alexian, an open-minded individual, somebody who doesn't believe the bullshit, somebody who realizes that they're not an angel, put that hashtag Alexian on the comments. I'll like all of you guys. Sometimes when a man leaves you for another woman, it's because from the start, he was still in love and he didn't tell you. His ex broke up with him. His ex dumped him to the side of the side of the road. And when he was with you, he was still not over you. And his ex came back and she wanted him back. And because he's still not over her, he left you. And you thought he loved you. In fact, he thought he loved you, but he was still not over his ex. But you know what happens though? Usually that woman dumps him again and he's gonna go back to you, but you're not gonna do that. But that's the point. Is that he's still in love with his ex, and that's why you lost him. And it had nothing to do with you. It had nothing to do with you in that situation. Sometimes when a man is with a woman, men like diversity. And I remember I was with this woman when the first girl that I was happy to be with, essentially, actually no, not like that. The first girl that I was like, man, she is really my type, right? She had a perfect body, everything. But you know what? After a few weeks of being with her, I started looking at other women who had the complete opposite body of what she had. She had big titties, big ass. Then I started looking at women who were more slimmer. You know what I'm saying? Who were more petite. It had nothing to do with my girl, right? Like she was perfect in my eyes. It's just that men like diversity. Men like something different. You know what I'm saying? And it's very difficult to not take this personal, to be honest with you. It is. Even though I'm telling you guys, it is very difficult not to take it personal, but that's just the case of it. Things just died out. The attraction fell off. This is something that you can mitigate by you giving the guy space. And I talk a lot about this. This is something that you can mitigate by distancing yourself from him from time to time. But essentially, sometimes things die out. You both know it, but you guys do not want to admit it. Plain and simple. When relationships die out, a lot of the times what you got to do is give yourself space. But a lot of you guys feel like you're going to offend the partner if you ask for space. So you rather let the relationship die out, almost like when you're living with a roommate who always leaves their shit outside. And so you only tell them once you had it enough. So all of a sudden you think everything was perfect, but in his eye, he wasn't happy. He wasn't happy with the sex. Everything is dead. He's bored already, but he doesn't want to tell you because he doesn't want to offend you. So he only does it once things are finally about to die on their own. And again, this is just a part of every relationship. And so what guys do then is that rather than tell you that they want to leave you, they rather go out with another woman on the side and get to know her slowly. and he gets to know her, he cheats on you because it kind of brings back that diversity, that excitement, and he ends up falling for that girl and he leaves you for her, right? And that's just part of life, unfortunately, people. This happened to every single person. So don't feel bad. Actually, not every single person, I'm lying, but this happens a lot. So don't feel bad. It is something that you're just gonna have to learn how to get through. And that becomes your challenge in life. You let yourself go physically. Simple as that. And we all know that once you think you have a guy, you stop working out, you stop doing the things you used to do, you stop hanging out with your friends, so now you have a lot of time in your hand. You stop talking to other guys because you don't want to make him jealous, so now now he doesn't feel like he's in a sexually competitive state. He doesn't see the other guys that like you. You know, you try to let him know that you are all his, that you're his, but inadvertently, you sort of make him, you completely validate him, and you give him no reason to fight for you. You give him no reason to keep working for you, right? Why? Because you let yourself go. You stop going out with your friends. You stopped hitting the gym. You stopped eating healthy, right? You stopped going and doing yoga. You stopped doing self-care because you're using him as your therapy stick, right? That ain't good, ladies and gentlemen. And the last one is this one. Sometimes some people just cannot be happy. Some people just cannot be happy. Is that plain and simple? Some people will always find a way to sabotage themselves. Those are the chronically unhappy. If everything's going well and he loves you, he's gonna find a reason not to love you because he doesn't feel like he deserves to be happy. If he has everything that he has, he'll find a reason to complain and want something else because deep down he doesn't feel like he deserves that. With those people, there's nothing you could do to save them. There is no saving them. It's best to leave them because those people will drag you down with them. They will drag you down to their pit of unhappiness. If you're someone who's naturally happy, who has a good energy, a good vibe in life, you can't bring those kind of people in because energy is contagious. And their bad luck, their negative thinking will sabotage the way you think and you become him without trying to. So those are the reasons why he might have left you for another woman. And unfortunately, these are things that you could try to prevent as much as possible, but you can't really know because you could do everything right, but his character is such that he's just not a happy person. There's nothing you could do about that. Some people are just unhappy naturally. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, check out my online courses. If you need me to work with you, go to mindforattraction.org and you could work with me one-on-one. Let me know what you guys think of this video. Why was it that you left somebody? Or tell me the story. Ask questions. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to hit the like and comment and subscribe and hit the notification. But if you guys have any questions for all the other subscribers, ask them. People answer questions here, to be honest with you. I look at the questions. I can't answer all of them, but all of my subscribers who watch my channel will answer your questions almost like I'm answering it for you. So go check it out. But if you want me to answer your questions or even make a video, become a Patreon supporter. Don't be a freeloader or I'm closing the channel, all right? All right, people, be safe. Alexians, I love all of you guys. Even the freeloaders, I love all you guys, okay? I have love. Peace out. All right, ladies, so finally, I have released my second course for women, which is natural chemistry. This course is a 5-week course. 5-week course where every week you're gonna get a new set of videos based on specific issues. This course is all about how to create and maintain the attraction in any man. This will help you create love. This will help you deepen the love with your man. This is not about manipulation. This is not about playing games. This is genuine natural chemistry. No more short-term partners, no more being fooled. Why? Because I will reveal to you not only how to create attraction in the first week, but also how to understand male nature, how to understand their tricks, how to prevent from being too attached, signs that he's the wrong guy, signs that he's a narcissist, signs that he's a mama's boy, signs that he's an emotionally available guy, emotionally unavailable guy. We go over everything. We go over this 3rd week, setting boundaries. We go over the 3rd week, controlling your emotions, right? Setting boundaries, 4th week, 5th week, embracing your masculine and the feminine, right? And on top of that, I have over 10 different bonuses. 10 different bonuses, my Lord have mercy, right? With a money back guarantee. The bonus are 1, the natural chemistry, over 10 hours of content,
right? The breakup formula, how to deal with a breakup, right? The connecting with your man, right? Establishing a life of abundance, social mastery, understanding your dark side, the goal setting seminar, which is about how to set and achieve goals, practical mastery that will teach you how to master anything, the laws of human nature. I have a book club for the laws of human nature with over 4 hours of content, right? The transformational seminar in a pocket, which is my mindfulness seminar, and the Chase audiobook. This originally is $1,800, but you get it starting at $97, ladies and gentlemen, right? $97. We have different packages, but all of this starts at $97. And you know what? You can check it out for free if you want. Yeah, for all the freeloaders, I have free videos just for you. Free videos. All right, so you can just check it out for free and then you could get out. Nothing wrong with that. All right, so and on top of that, it comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. No questions asked. That's right, no questions asked. I don't mind. I just want you guys to check it out, because I know when you take one look, you're gonna want to buy it. I can promise you. Just like my other course, the psychological game of attraction, it was a hit. You're gonna love this one. This one is not about manipulation. This is genuine natural chemistry. Order it now. All right, I'll see you guys inside. Peace out.